on how you can hide your subscriber count on YouTube. First of all, open the YouTube on your browser and then go to YouTube Studios. After reaching that page, you can see on the left side, scroll down and go to Settings. On Settings, tap on Channel. You can see General here. Just below the General, there is Channel. On Channel, go to Advanced Settings. On Advanced Settings, there used to be an option where you could hide your subscriber count, but on the recent update of YouTube, the update option has been removed. So unfortunately, the update option has been removed. So honestly speaking, there is no option at the moment. You can just not remove. If you see any channel with 0 subscribers, that means that the channel does not have any subscriber at all. In this way, you can see that if any channel has a YouTube subscriber, and you can't really hide your subscriber count. So thank you for watching this video, and that's it.